Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about making your TikTok account private. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select your profile icon at the bottom right. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and select where it says settings and privacy. Underneath account, select the privacy button. And now underneath discoverability, private account. With a private account, only users that you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Go ahead and toggle that to the on position by left clicking inside that oval one time to turn that on. If you want to make it public, you can just go ahead and click inside there one more time and that would make it a public account. So that's pretty much all you have to do. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.